नाउ इफ आई सडनली टेल यू कल से आपको 5 बजे उठना है, इट इज नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल, मुझे पता है कोई नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि आप 3 बजे तक पढ़ते हो. So why you are not able to change a habit is because sanskars have so been created that it is not easy to change them. वही वृत्तिस ऐसे रिपीट हुए हैं that you can't suddenly change. इसीलिए you must take care of what you concentrate upon consciously and make into a संस्कार. क्योंकि वृत्तियों से तो संस्कार बनते हैं ना. You are generating sanskars from your vrittis. So your conscious thought process किस पर focused है? This becomes important. If it is focused on the right things, you will have very good sanskars. If it is focused on all kinds of filthy things, आज सब available है आपको. संस्कार भी वैसे बन जाएंगे, है ना? Is this right? ये कोई थियोरी नहीं है, हो रहा है हमारे साथ दिन रात. So take care. The point in all this is you must understand the value of conscious thought process. What you think, that you will become. How you think will generate your sanskars. उसी से आपकी पर्सनालिटी बनती है, कल उसी से आपके behaviors बनेंगे. So don't think some magical thing will come and change and make everything successful for you. नहीं नहीं नहीं, थोड़ा अपने ऊपर ध्यान देना है. You must understand how my mind is working and how do I generate the right cognitions, the right vrittis so that my sanskars are always good and reliable. Then only I will be a reliable person, no? नहीं तो हम reliable हैं. एक दिन खाना ना मिले तो आप देखोगे कितने reliable हो. This is what happens. You must take conscious charge of things. Then only change is possible. इसके लिए, see, all this theory is being given to you only to help you understand the value of conscious thinking, the value of the conscious thought process. Otherwise, it is really very difficult in life. I would like to give you one particular incident here to help you understand ये जो previously हमने study किया एकाग्र and निरुद्ध state, what it will help you not achieve. And अगर वृत्तियों को, अगर if you have a hold over them, your conscious thought process, if you have a hold over it, what you cannot achieve. This real life incident is from the life of Vivekananda. आपने उनका नाम तो सुना है, हाँ? He was a master of this concentration. ऐसे मास्टर थे, that's why such huge achievements so quickly in life. उनकी you know how till what age he lived? He lived only till 39. He passed away at 39. But इतना achieve कर सके क्यों? Master of concentration, master of this vrittis. कैसे मास्टर थे वो पता है? एक बार वो मीरठ में थे. He was in Meerut and he had gone there to recuperate his health. And with him was a brother disciple called Swami Akhandanand ji. तो रोज विवेकानंद उनको कहते थे लाइब्रेरी से एक पुस्तक ले आओ. तो तब वो पढ़ रहे थे सर जॉन लुबॉक्स वर्क्स. तो रोज एक किताब लाके उनको देना पड़ता था. रोज एक किताब पढ़ रहे हैं. तो जब वो रिटर्न करने जाते थे वो ब्रदर डिसाइपल लाइब्रेरी में, तो वो लाइब्रेरियन ने कहा क्या स्वामी है आपके, रोज एक किताब पढ़ते हैं, ये कैसे संभव है? हाउ इज दिस पॉसिबल दैट एवरी डे ही रीड्स वन बुक, every day he is taking new volume. Then this person said नहीं वो पढ़ते हैं, मैंने देखा है. तो फिर नहीं पढ़ते नहीं है. लाइब्रेरियन ने कहा ऐसे ही कुछ देखते होंगे, ये तो संभव ही नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो वो ब्रदर डिसाइपल ने आके स्वामी जी को कहा, विवेकानंद को कहा कि वो तो बिलीव ही नहीं कर रहा है कि आप पढ़ते हो. देन विवेकानंद टोल्ड हिम ओके वेट. एक दिन वो ऐसे स्ट्रोल करते करते लाइब्रेरी में जा पहुंचे और फिर मीट किया लाइब्रेरियन से और उन्होंने कहा मैं रोज एक वॉल्यूम पढ़ता हूँ, आपको इफ यू डोंट हैव फेथ यू कैन आस्क मी वॉट एवर यू वांट. फ्रॉम 8 वॉल्यूम्स पढ़े थे तब तक स्वामी जी ने. तो आस्क मी एनीथिंग फ्रॉम दोज बुक्स. तो फिर वो एक रैंडम पुस्तक ले आया, वहाँ पर एक रैंडम पेज पे he just asked something to Swamiji, and you know Swamiji gave him the exact what was written on that page. फिर और एक वॉल्यूम ले आया, he asked something from there and Swamiji verbatim quoted what was there. ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रश्नोत्तर के बाद he said, Swamiji, this is superhuman. आप ये कैसे करते हो? How is this possible? Then Swamiji explained, and you please pay attention to this explanation. Vivekananda said, you see, when a child studies the alphabet, first he studies only A, B, C, D. Then he learns to put the alphabets together and read the word. A for apple. A, P, P, L, E is apple. फिर वो apple देखता है, फिर associate करता है. This word means this. है ना? So you see, now letter he has learned to join the letters and understand the word and its meaning. Then Vivekananda said, gradually as he grows up, he becomes older, he learns to associate words together like this and understands the sentence immediately. As his brain develops further, he will join sentences together like this and understand the paragraph immediately. है ना? यही होता था ना हमारे साथ भी. And gradually as he becomes more and more capable and a magnificent intelligence is produced, he will glance through the page and get the whole page in a few seconds. I do this with books, Swamiji ने कहा. I do this with books. ऐसे glance करते जाते हैं and he soaks up the information entirely and doesn't miss it. वो उनके मेमोरी से नहीं चला नहीं जाता है. How is this possible, you tell me? This is the power of attention. He is able to pay such total attention कि like जैसे sponge soak करता है ना पानी को, वैसे he is soaking in the information. And फिर that librarian said, Swamiji ये तो superhuman ability है. Swamiji ने कहा नहीं, anybody can do it who has trained his mind. And it also requires purity of mind. ये दो चीजें. And this is possible. So you see, this is the remarkable capacity of your mind to gather information like this, gather knowledge like this and retain it, not lose it. But only if it is totally concentrated and riveted, if your attention remains riveted, then this is possible. If attention is flitting from object to object to object, this is not possible. Today's age, very difficult to rivet attention because of your, जो वो हाथ में है ना, यहाँ पर ऑफ करके रखा है आपने, मोबाइल फोन्स. हमेशा आपको आदत पड़ गई है वो नोटिफिकेशंस एंड मैसेजेस को देखने की. But you know, this phone which I use is always on silent mode. Only at definite hours of the day I check for my messages and I answer them. Not all the time. If you want to keep your attention totally scattered, सब कुछ open रखना है इसमें. And if you want to be very purposeful and meaningful, have fixed hours for seeing your messages. Practical tips I am giving you. You must learn the art of fixing attention on your goals. And जो भी हो जाए, you will not move budge from there. Then only you will succeed.